like that. Okay, so join the other leg in the same position. Shashankasana, Ashtanga Namaskar, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Now left leg forward, Ashta Sanchara, Pada Hastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pranavasana. Okay, so this round is completely bending back, bending forward, and then taking the legs, okay, leg back, and then until you bring back. So when you are placing here, palms and leg should be between your palms. Okay, and then again when you are bringing back, some of you bringing like that. No, you have to bring between your palms, and then like that. So that means you are exactly keeping movements perfect without unnecessary movements. Okay, now try it out. Hrim Mariche Namaha.
Hrim Mariche Namaha.
Padahastasana. Right leg back. Ashta Sanchara. Parvatasana. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Now right leg forward. Ashta Sanchara. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Pranavasana. Om Room Adityaya Namaha. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Left leg back. Inhale, Ashta Sanchara. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale, Shashankasana. Come forward. Inhale and exhale, Ashtanga Namaskaram. Exhale, hold. Inhale, Bhujangasana, knees off the ground, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Touch your feet completely on the ground. Now left leg forward. Ashta Sanchalana. Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pranavasana. Om Hraim Savitre Namaha.
Om Hraim Savitre Namaha.